Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY hair mask and I'm going to show you how I prepare it. I start off with a medium-sized banana. Now banana promotes hair elasticity, makes hair less frizzy and more manageable, and it also prevents breakage. Next we have extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. And Jamaican black castor oil is good for increasing hair growth. It's also great for the scalp if you deal with breakage, dandruff, eczema, and things like that. Next, I'm going in with organic honey. Now, honey is known to do a multitude of great things for our bodies, but honey is a natural humectant, which is great for absorbing moisture. So we love moisture for our natural hair. Next, I'm going in with Fenugreek powder. Now, I love Fenugreek powder. It has so much slip on it and it's absolutely great for detangling, and it's just great for supporting natural hair growth. It's a antioxidant and it has anti-inflammatory properties, which is great for dry and itchy scalp as well. Now I'm going in with these two oils. This is from As I Am. It's their olive oil and tea tree oil blend. And then I'm going to go in with the Texture ID one as well. Now, if you have any essential oils that you really like, feel free to add that to this mask just to give it a great scent. I'm now going to add some water. You can use aloe vera or coconut water, but today I decided just to use regular water. Now I go in to blend until it's very creamy, almost like a custard. And then I store in this container and it's ready to use. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon.